JD, we have a new guy. New guy just dropped.
New guy just dropped. Let's bring in the new guy.
In 2019.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's been some time.
The Wheezing Barnes is a dark web hitman whose clear net presence is limited to a single page on the Creepypasta Files wiki. Wheezing Barnes' actual name is listed as Frederick Barnes. I don't know if they're taking notes, but here is two. 1, why does his killer name include part of his legal name? 2, Frederick is a fucked up nickname for Fred. That's not how that works.
That's what Grace is like. Hi, my name's Richard. Full name Dick.
No, fuck off.
Hello?
That's not how it works, man. Come on.